ABC Educational Channel. Today let's learn about days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. The 7 days of the week are Monday is the first school day of the week. Monday. Tuesday is the second school day of the week. Tuesday. Wednesday is the third school day of the week. Wednesday. Thursday is the fourth day and the middle of the week. Thursday. Friday is the fifth day of the week and the last day of school. Friday. Saturday. It's time to rest and have fun with friends. Saturday. Sunday. It's family time. Sunday. Let's practice. What day is it today? It's Monday. What day is it today? It's Saturday. What day is it today? It's Wednesday. What day is it today? It's Friday. What day is it today? It's Sunday. What day is it today? It's Thursday. What day is it today? It's Tuesday. Job well done, kids.